ẹ̀yin náà ti mọ̀ pé tó bá ń dún tó tún dùn tó tún dùn ẹ̀yin náà ti mọ̀ pé àwa náà látúntidé bí a ṣe mọ́ ń dé àmọ́ pé tẹ̀yin náà báyìí tí wo bó ṣe ń lọ lórí pápá Orísun ara yín ò tí ì lè balẹ̀ torí àwọn àjá àbalẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó yẹ ká máa múlẹ̀ fún yín ẹ máa wo pé bolẹ̀ tún ti lè gbọ́ àwọn àkọ̀tun ọ̀rọ̀ èyí tó ń ṣe kí ni èyí tó ń wáyé lórí pápá káàkiri ní gbogbo àgbáńlá ayé ohun làwa ò ṣe sùn la fi ń sún ní gbogbo ìgbà torí pé a gbọ́dọ̀ mú èyí tó tún sùn lọ́sẹ̀ yìí àti tọ̀sẹ̀ tó lọ a gbọ́dọ̀ mú jáde fún yín kẹ́ lè mọ ibi tí eré ìdárayá tó sún sí àti ibi tó sún dé orúkọ mi ò yí padà Quazeem Fafunwa ní Triple S successful super striker lórí pápá tó tún dá ojú ilé mọ̀ dáadáa ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ fìdílé nǹkan tàbí kí ẹ fi nǹkan lédìí àwọn èyí tí mo kó wá fún yín lénìí àjá àbalẹ̀ ni tó dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni tó ń ta lẹ́nu yẹ́rí ẹ jẹ́ ń lọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹnì kejì mi torí èmi nìkan kọ́ mo wà ń bí ẹ̀yin náà tí mo bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ mo ní yẹrí etí kan kò yẹ orí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàtà ẹsẹ̀ kan kò ṣe kí ni òun náà ò yẹ ẹsẹ̀ ẹnì kejì mi wà ń bí ẹ jẹ́ kó kí ara alé kó fẹnu ara ẹ̀ kí wọn.
ọpẹ́ fún Ọlọ́run ọba tó dá wa dà wá sílé ayé tó tún fún wa láǹfààní lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí láti jẹ́ alààyè ọkàn lónìí èyí tó fún yín lórí ọ̀fẹ́ náà láti máa wò wá ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló fẹ́ rí àǹfààní ṣùgbọ́n lónìí ó máa ṣe wọn ò ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ náà kò wá ń ṣagbára wa àti èmi o ọpẹ́ báyìí ló yẹ ká máa fún Ọlọ́run torí Ọlọ́run ní gbowó kò ní gbà nǹkan kan lọ́wọ́ ju ọpẹ́ lọ èyí mo fi ń kí wa káàbọ̀ sórí pápá Orísun lónìí níbi táwọn ti máa fúnra wa tán ẹ kúkú mọ̀ wípé àwa ò kì í disappoint yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ni à kì í já yín kulẹ̀ lónìí a ó tún fún yín dáadáa èmi náà rè the most valuable player on television on Orísun káàkiri àgbáńláyé honourable on radio Olamilekan daramola òun náà rè lónìí àjò fúnra wa tán dáadáa ẹ káàbọ̀.
A máa fúnra wa tán ni
àjá òun yẹn wá kulẹ̀ ó ti kún
tí bá ti ń jù sí ẹ̀ wá máa hàn
òun ló máa jẹ́ káwọn yẹn wá tètè wọ́n dé di ọmọ àrùn wọn pé a gbọ́dọ̀ wò.
ẹlòmíì ti kún ibi iṣẹ́ báyìí mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ mí ìsì ẹ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ mí. ẹ fọkàn balẹ̀ ẹ lè mí ìsì ẹ nǹkan tẹ́tẹ́ expect yẹn gan àwa náà máa ṣe kí ni a máa package ẹ̀ fún yín ẹ jẹ́ àdókè lọ́hùn ká tó lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ níbi tá a ti fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ àwọn nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ HOD àwọn nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn grammatical idioms tó lágbára jẹ́ àdókè lọ́hùn.
Very talented young player, and the final of 2016 is underway. Modric has to come wide for Vasquez. If possibility to cross one in, it's headed away, but not very far away. Beaten out. Real Madrid lead. It's not taken Karim Benzema long to register in the final. 8 minutes played. It is Real Madrid 1, Kashima Antlers 0. And Benzema keeps up a 100% scoring record. He got the first goal the other evening in the last seconds of the first half. Zidane's side are ahead, and that is ominous for Kashima Antlers. The first goal they've conceded, and for Benzema, a third goal in Club World Cup history. But back come Kashima Antlers immediately. A chance of an equaliser here, but the cross is just a bit too long. The chance may still present itself. Over the top of the crossbar. Thrilling try nonetheless from the captain, Ogasawara. Not a regular goal scorer. Ogasawara, though, on to the end of this, and one thing on his mind, and that was to flash in the shot to beat the goalkeeper, Navas. It's over the top of the fingers of the keeper and over the crossbar, crucially by about to Nagaki. That's a lovely touch here. Opportunity for an equaliser for Kashima. He took it on and shot way wide of the mark. Endo with 2 goals already, one of them a back heel, one of them a curled effort. It is who drives it wide here for the right fullback, the international. Carvajal has played it back in here, chance of a second. This time the goalkeeper does make the save. Sogahata down to it. Benzema foiled this time. He's got one tonight, he might well have had 2 here. Nice little touch back to him, left-footed. Maybe just of going wide, but the goalkeeper had to be certain. Shomadoi teasing, trying to weave her way into a position to deliver a cross. He does so. Might be an equaliser. The roof has just come off the stadium in Yokohama. It's Real Madrid 1, Kashima Antlers 1. Glorious play from Shomadoi to fox the Real Madrid defence. Shibasaki, I think it is with the final touch, been no respite and no rescue. Ishi's side has scored against Real Madrid. They are level thanks to Shibasaki, the midfielder, the 24-year-old. There's a nice little dribble again from Shibasaki. What a goal! What a goal! The unbelievable is happening here in Yokohama. He couldn't keep this one out. Diving to his right, Shibasaki has beaten the goalkeeper Navas, and against all the odds, listen to this for a scoreline wherever you are in the world. So it's nothing new, but if Shibasaki were to strike another goal, he'd be the first man in history to get 3. A lovely ball back in here. Is that a penalty kick? The referee is pointing, he's given it. Vasquez, he has his arm around him, and it was Shibasaki initially. Maybe he had a touch as well in that, and then right across from Yamamoto. What next from Cristiano Ronaldo? A goal is what's next. How Real Madrid needed that. They're the ones celebrating now. Only 7 minutes after Shibasaki had sent Kashima Antlers into dreamland, Cristiano Ronaldo has his second goal. Sogahata could do about that. Oh, never a real bother. It's Ronaldo again. He'll go for goal. Well saved, Sogahata. Otherwise, Ronaldo would have had 2 in a minute, and the game would have been turned on its head yet again. It's another winning goal again, as he's done so often in his career. Flashes straight through. Well, he should have done better with that. Off the left boot of Ramos. And he was the one I predicted would be on the end of it. He's better with his head than he is with his feet. And here is the proof. Could there be something here for Real Madrid as Marcelo takes it and chooses to go infield onto his right foot. Drilled across here for Ronaldo. Benzema swings on it. What a save, Ronaldo! Into this. The flag is raised. No alarm for the J-League champions. Ronaldo foiled by the offside flag. Vasquez doing an imitation of Cristiano Ronaldo. Gets it across. Once again, Ronaldo can't head the ball down. This stadium is proving to be a bit of a graveyard for him in terms of headers. In the last game here, Vasquez put 2 perfect crosses onto the head of Ronaldo. Kanazaki, Benzema, once again danger, Cristiano Ronaldo, this time maybe not. His frustrations continue, thanks to the legs of a goalkeeper called Hitoshi Sogahata. Well, a few minutes earlier, from a similar angle, Ronaldo did find the net, but was offside. Unable to take their eyes off the action. Plenty of time for Kroos to line somebody up here.